It's about time to talk about the Society of Petroleum Engineers AUIS Student Chapter. We have received the Excellence Awards for 2 consecutive years. In this semester, one of our goals was to introduce students to sustainability and taking them to different field trips.
This chapter of SPE, we've conducted a lot of field trips to show our students what it's like on the field. This semester, we did 2 field trips to Derbani Khan Dam and to Bazian Power Plant, as well as a seminar for zero energy building.
Internationally, we are presenting their activities in 2 main organizations in the world located at USA. These 2 organizations, one of them is Society Petroleum Engineering related to Energy and Mechanical Department. Other one is American Concrete Institute, ACI, related to the Civil Engineering Department. We are fortunate to having both excellent award last year from United States.